Stegmaier, and this is my video for the course as a classroom, Design a Math or Science Lesson. Today I'm going to talk to you about my lesson, what it's about, the students that it's targeted at, and what are the activities that will culminate in an assessment of the students' ability to demonstrate their knowledge and apply their knowledge of what they learned about the carbon cycle in a group project. My lesson plan is on the carbon cycle, and after the students have learned the basic knowledge of the cycling of carbon in the various spheres of the Earth, and they will be doing a project as a group, and this project is called a Prezi presentation. And now the students will have to gather information, do research, and collaborate together and come to a conclusion about where they stand on a controversial issue. I'll give you a little background about the subject that I'm going to be presenting to the students. And of course, by the time they begin their research in this activity, they will have a solid basic understanding of how carbon is cycled through the geosphere, through the atmosphere, and the biosphere, and the hydrosphere. As you can see, all of these spheres are here. These are the components in the carbon cycle. I'm standing here along a creek called Grimes Creek. This is in Boise County, in actually the Boise National Forest. There is a small community up the road, which is a dirt road, and it's called Clear Creek. This community is situated in a heavily wooded forest that is home to an abundance of wildlife. We have spruce trees, lodgepole pine, Douglas fir, and even, of course, a riparian environment that has trout and mountain whitefish primarily. This stream feeds the Boise River. It's actually a tributary of the headwaters of the Boise River, which originate in the Sawtooth Mountains, just north of here, about 120 miles north of here in Stanley, Idaho. The Boise River watershed is an important source of clean water, municipal source of clean water for the Treasure Valley area, which has a population of about 250,000 just in the Treasure Valley area. Downriver, we have the need for irrigation for many farms, and the Boise River eventually empties into the Snake River. The project that we're going to be doing, students are going to be doing, is based on this topic. Right here in the National Forest, a mining company originally from Canada, it's called Mosquito Mining Corporation, wants to build an open pit molybdenum mining company where they would be mining for molybdenum in the National Forest. Now, there's controversy about this mining company. Proponents of the mining company say that it will bring economic business, a good business to this community and the county that has been depressed for many, many years since the gold rush in the 1850s. Idaho City, which is just north of here, about 15 miles, at one point had 6,000 people in it, and then the gold business went bust, and currently there's about 500 people in this town, which is very depressed. So this mining company would increase the economic standing of the community and bring business to the area and also to Idaho in general. Opponents of this mining corporation putting in a mine here say that there is potential for contaminating the watershed And also, you're going to have to build 10 to 13 miles of roads into a backcountry area. And as you can see, this is a beautiful area, and it is a vital part of the carbon cycle. So utilizing the knowledge of the carbon cycle, how would this mining company affect the area? Would it affect the area? And what is their position on that? So when the students do their research, they will present their findings in this video, and they may include any sources of information from the website, from their class notes, from the lecture that they will be taking notes on, and from textbook sources. So that's my lesson plan activity that will end in an assessment that will be graded on a rubric. And hopefully they will have not only gained an appreciation for nature, but also made a decision that is knowledgeable and based on their findings, not just opinion or emotions. And that's it for my video for Forest as a Classroom. Thank you.